Hello my golden beauties, it is me Miss Golden and I am back with a makeup tutorial. If you're interested in how I created this masterpiece, then continue to watch. I am starting off with the Pure Cosmetic Midnight Masqurade face palette. I'm using a dark brown color and placing it on the outer V of my eye, and I'm also making sure that I'm blending that color into my crease area. Next, I'm using the light pink eyeshadow and placing it right above the brown eyeshadow while blending the pink color into my brow area. You want to make sure that both colors are properly blended into each other. Alright, now I need you to hold your breath with me because I'm getting ready to cut the crease. I'm using the matte concealer in the color NC50 with a flat brush to complete this process. It will benefit you to cut the crease in small sections because you have more control, keyword is control, on where you are placing the product. Next, I'm using a black eyeshadow to darken the outer portion of my eyelid. This will create a more depth to the look. After I've cut the crease, I'm taking a light pink eyeshadow and placing it directly on top of the concealer. Once I'm finished with everything, I'm going back over all of the colors that I previously used to ensure that everything is blended out properly and to make sure that I have the desired pigmentation of the look that I am looking for. Next, I'm using NYX Glitter Glue and placing it directly on top of the light pink color. Once I'm done, I'm using the NYX Loose Glitter in the color Purple and placing it on top of the glue. I am using a patting motion to make sure that the loose glitter will stick to my eyelid and not move. Do not swipe. Swiping can cause the product to be swiped off your face. Using a NYX Jumbo Pencil in the color Milk, I am lining the inner portion of my waterline. Once I've completed that, I'll be going in with a blending brush to blend out the color. Once the color has been properly blended out, I will be lining my waterline with that same pink color. I will also be extending that color to the outer portion of my eyes. Next, I'm using the Benefit Cosmetic Roller Lash Mascara and I'm applying it to the upper and lower portion of my eyelashes. I'm then using some of the leftover concealer that was on my brush to clean up the outer portion of my eye. This will create a more defined appearance of all the eyeshadows. I'm applying the MAC Match Master Foundation in the color 8.5 and placing it all over my face. I will then use a damp beauty blender to blend out the foundation on my face as well. Using the same concealer, I am now highlighting underneath my eyes, between my eyebrows, the top part of my lips, and then my cheekbone area. I'm using the same damp beauty blender to blend everything out as well. Next, I'm using the Laura Mercier translucent powder to set all of the highlighted areas. While I'm baking, I'll be moving on to my lip area using the MAC lip liner pencil in the color Chestnut. I'm outlining my lips and then taking that same lip liner and smudging it all over my lips, and I'm concealing it with a MAC lipstick in the color Taupe. Once I'm finished, I'll be brushing off the excess translucent powder using both a fluffy brush and a Kabuki brush. I like to use this process because it creates a more natural look. You want your makeup to look natural at all times. Next, I'm using two color blushes. First, I'm starting off with a light color pink blush, and then I'll be using a dark pink blush as well. I'm repeating the same process of blending everything out with the Kabuki brush. For the highlight, I'm using Becca in the color Gold. I'm placing that highlight right above the blush area and above my cheekbone. Using the same highlight color, I'm placing that color in between my tear duct area. And this is the final look. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and comment below on what products you like to use. See you in my next video. Too many times, my love.